Jai Shri Ram. As a Hindu, if you want to define and understand what is the best definition of who a Hindu is and what is Hinduism or Sanatana Dharma, this shloka comes from Shankara Digvijayam by Madhava Vidyaranya. Get yourself a copy from R.K. Mutt. Okay, this is a very comprehensive definition. Omkara Moola Mantradhyaha Punarjanma Drudashaya Go Bhakto Bharata Guru Hindu Himsana Dushakaha. So one who understands and accepts that Omkara is the primal sound. Omkara is the sound form of God, right? Omkara. Pranava Sarva Vedana. Krishna also declared that. Punarjanma Drudashaya. One who believes in Punarjanma. Therefore, be careful about whatever karma you do. So, Punarjanma cannot be avoided. So, one who believes in Punarjanma and one who is a Go Bhakta. You cannot be eating beef and claim to be a Hindu. Go Bhakto Bharata Guru. Bharata. Bhayam Rataha iti Bharata. One who loves, revels, delights in knowledge. One who revels in knowledge. That means one who loves acquiring knowledge and one who rejoices in knowledge itself. That is why the Veda said, Ano Bhadra Kratavo Yantu Vishwata. Let noble thoughts come from everywhere. As a Hindu, you will allow all kinds of wonderful thoughts to come from anywhere. You will not criticize anything that is perfectly logical and spiritually uplifting. But you will not hesitate to destroy anything which is sophistical, casuistry driven, specious, logically fallacious dogmas. So that is the true spirit of a Hindu. The true Hindu is one who will ruthlessly destroy nonsense. And he will not accept trash as dharma. So Bharata. Bhayam Rataha iti Bharata. Guru, that means one who accepts Guru Parampara. You cannot, accept any Tom, Dick and Harry as a Guru. Then Hindu, Himsana Dushaka. Himsa, violence, or all base behavior, criminal activity, ignoble conduct. All these things a Hindu will destroy, reject, or at least distance himself totally. That is a Hindu. I think this is the most comprehensive definition of a Hindu. Jai Shri Ram. Right? Omkara Moola Mantradhyaha Punarjanma Drudashaya Go Bhakto Bharata Gurur Hindur Himsana Dushakaha. Jai Shri Ram.